Hello children, today I'll show you how to create simple animation which is given in our book at page number 32, Color of Circles animation. Okay, right. So in the last class we learned how to insert blank frame and how to set the background color. Okay, so now in that we'll be inserting circles. To insert circles, you have to click on the ellipse tool which is available under Edit tab. This is your Edit tab. Here you can see Edit. So under that you can see many tools. In that, this is your ellipse tool. Same like MS Paint, you can draw circles by clicking and dragging it. Right? You make 7 circles like this in one frame. So now in the next frame I want same 7 circles. Okay. If you look at the picture given in your book, you can see in each frame the color of circle changes. Okay. But in all the frames we have 7 circles. So instead of drawing 7 circles every time on each frame, we can copy. Right? We have the option copy. So first we have to insert the frames we want. So we need 8 frames. So I'm inserting 8 frames with the help of insert blank frame button. After that, I inserted the circles already. So using the select all option, I am selecting all the circles. Right? And I am pasting it in all the frames. So if you click on copy to all frames button, see here this one, copy to all frames button, all the circles, all the 7 circles will be copied to all the 8 frames. All the 7 frames, one is drawn already. First frame we drew it, so remaining frames will be copied. Okay, simple task. Within a second we can complete all the frames. Now in each frame we have to fill the color for one circle. So we have option called fill tool under edit menu. Under edit menu we have fill tool. Same like fill with color option in paint bucket tool. You can fill the color using this tool. Once you click that, it will show the color dialog box where you can select the color you want. So in the first frame we have to leave all the circles empty. So in the second frame, first circle has to be filled with red color. So here we are selecting red color. So from red color you can adjust the darkness or lightness by adjusting this slider. Right? So that color will be seen here. Right? Then if you apply OK, that circle will be filled with that red color. You have to be careful, you have to select that circle first. So you have 7 circles in a frame. Select one circle and apply this fill color tool. Similarly, you have to fill all the circles in all the frames. Okay. Now, how can I make this color to blink? Here you can see animation properties. This will help us to set animation. See, now my circle is filled with red color. Now I have to give animation. See, this red color has to blink often. How to do that? For that, as I said already, you have animation properties. Once you click that, you will get two options. One is repeat forever. Next one is repeat dash times. If you click repeat forever, the red color will blink often. It will not end. Till you complete your animation, this will be keep on repeating it. Till you close it, it will keep on repeating it. Okay. But if you click repeat, here you can increase times. If you give 2, 3, 4, 5, it will blink only for that time. Okay. You have other options also, resize animation. You can give comment also. Okay. That when I work out, I'll show you. Next one, frame properties. This frame properties will help you to display the delay. See, if it blinks fast, we cannot see it is blinking. So we need some gap in between. For that we can use this delay property. Okay. Right. Similarly, you have to do for all the frames. Now, to view the animation, you can click the preview tab. Before saving it, you can check with the help of this preview tab. So near edit you have preview. This preview will show how the drawing is playing. If you are satisfied, you can go for saving. If you want to alter, you can go back to the frames and you can alter. Okay. Here you have some buttons. Here this play button will help us to see the animation. Okay. Here you have forward, next, end, pass, everything there. You can try that. You can click on the save as button to save the animation. Under file menu, we have this save as button. Same like all the other software. You can click on the save as button and you can select the location. If you want it on the desktop, you can select the desktop. Or if you want to save it under drive, you can select my computer and select local disk D, E, F, anything. You can see that file will be saved with the extension .gif, GIF image.gif. You can give the file name here, color circles. Any name, whatever the name you like, you can give it for the animation. Okay. It will be saved with color circles.gif. Then you have to click on the save button. Okay, children. Now, we'll do quick review. Creating a moving effect by displaying a series of pictures is called animation. Good. Animation can be done in simple step using the DAZ program. What is the software? What is the program we used now? GIF Animator. Excellent. To create a new animation, click on the Create New Blank Animation in the General Task section. You can see a list of tools on the DAZ tab, Edit tab. Okay. Circles can be drawn using the DAZ tool in the Edit tab, Ellipse tool. Revise once again, children, these questions. Okay. Go through the video once again. You will be well prepared. Next class, I'll show you how to do this in our lab. Thank you, children.